The next question, you have this question: 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta into r that. So for r on alpha. Okay. We have what? Cos theta and sin theta. Here you have only cos theta. We know from basic trigonometry that what? Cos A plus B is equals to what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, in case you have negative here, I'm going to put plus here. Hope you know about that. Yeah, I think you know it. Okay, we are going to apply it up here. Therefore, our cos theta will be what? R into what? Cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta sin alpha. That will be equals to what? Equivalent to what? 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. That's exactly what we're going to be having at this point. The cos and the cos can cancel, the sine and the sine cancel. Since it's equivalent, means we can have r cos alpha is equals to what is in cos, that is 4, and r sine alpha is equals to what is here, that is 3. And if you ask the question, what happened? What are we actually doing? Yeah, that's the same question I'm asking myself. Since you have an equivalent sign here, and we take the part in cos, it means that r cos theta cos alpha is equivalent to what? 4 cos theta, because we have cos theta here. Okay, it's just that we have x plus y is equivalent to what? To x plus 3y. Something like this, or x, something like this. That is just typical. Okay, hence we can just say x is equivalent to 2x and y is equivalent to 3y. That is linking the like terms together. Okay, that's how it happened. From here, we can imply that way. Okay, we can here. From here, we have that. Hence, we can find for r square is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. Therefore, r is equals to 16 plus 9 square root of that will be equals to 5. Oh yeah, you're asking yourself a question: what happened here? What the heck is going on? How is this r coming from? We know that if you square this side, that will be r square into cos square theta plus r square into sin square theta. That will be equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, you square this equation and you square this equation. R square into cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Okay, this is equation 1, equation 2. You square equation 1 and square equation 2. Let's even ignore this section. Okay, and you can take out r square. You know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. That will be r square. This was equivalent to what? 4 square plus 3 square. I move it. Plus r square, this one square, that will be e. This one square, that will be e. On this side, we have our r square. Then e times what? We come up with this. Okay, the next thing to do is what? We are going to find for r, for alpha. You can divide everywhere. You can divide this sin theta over cos theta. Alpha over cos alpha is equals to 3 all over 4, which implies tan alpha is equals to 3/4, which implies alpha is equals to tan inverse of 3/4. And this is equals to what? Let me punch the calculator. Okay, we know that tan inverse of that will be tan inverse of this, that will be second function tan inverse of 3/4 is equals to 36.87. 36.87. Okay, that is it. 36.87. That is the answer to alpha. Therefore, R is equals to 5 and alpha 36.87. The answer is correct since it's in a range from 0 to 90. Okay, put this one aside. Okay, we're done with this side section. Hence, you can erase here. The next question is saying that what? Hence, obtain the max and minimum for 1/4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 6. 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta is equivalent to r cos theta minus alpha. There is r, what is our r? 5 cos theta minus 36.87. That is equivalent to this. Hence, I want to take it from here. Yeah, since this one is equivalent to this one, you're going to take this. How are you going to use it? It's quite difficult. We know already that what cos theta has a minimum value of -1 and maximum value 1. Okay, you can just take it here. Hence, it's our cos theta. Okay, you have a minimum value of 1, a maximum 1, and a minimum -1. That's already it. Okay, here we have what times 5. Okay, this is our case because we are using here is r theta minus 36.87, average 5. That's what we are using. Hence, we multiply by 5 to put a 5 here. That will be -1. Let's just erase here. That will be -5 into what 5 here plus less than 5. Are you okay with this? Oh yeah, I think so. Hence, from this point, we have this. The next thing to do is what? We add a 6. That is -5 plus 6 is less than or equals to this. We can just say all this is equivalent to y, not to write a lot. That will be y plus 6.